Hey, nice to see you again, Biter. So today's special English bite. The difference between as in I have a dollar, and an, as in I have an elephant. Which is cooler? Let's get going. Right, so remember that quantity is important, like really important. You have a dollar, or you have 1, 2, 3, more. You might have billions of dollars, and then you think you're one of the Kardashians. But I'm sorry, mate, that's not gonna happen. Right, so you have $1, or you have a dollar, which is the same. So wait, $1, a dollar, it's the same? Exactly. Aha, so one is a. Easy peasy, right? Good. So you have a dollar, cool. But I have an elephant, which is cooler. But wait, I have an elephant. An elephant? Why? Why not I have an elephant? Okay, because elephant starts with a vowel. That is A, E, I, O, U. That's it. Full stop. That's the difference. So, is it that easy? Of course, Biter. A and an both mean one. They equal one. However, we use them in different places. We use an with words starting with vowels, such as elephant. That's why I have an elephant. But we use a with words starting with consonant, the rest of the letters, such as dollar. That's why I have a dollar and not an dollar. Aha, you got it, boss. English is easy, right? If you think so, don't forget to subscribe. I see you all in the next English Bite. Sayonara, biters.